course you do. The smoothie baby.
So what I do is I buy a bag of mixed frozen fruits and I add some juice all the way up until the number 3 on the blender, and I blend it all up. You can add as much or as little juice as you want to make it as thick as you want. This is how it looks. It's all done. And it was at this moment that I realized that straw is too small, so I switched the straws. But the mixed fruit, it comes with peaches, strawberries, pineapples, mangoes, and I think that's it. And I get the mixed fruit bag at Walmart. It's only like $10 and it lasts a long time, depending on how much you're making. But that is it. The baby loves it.
And that is it. Simple as that.
So now I am going to make cream of wheat because after making smoothies, my husband woke up and wanted to eat, and it's quick, and I'm trying to cook something quick so I can finish cleaning because my cleaning got interrupted. But anyways, I just add 4 cups of milk and then a half a cup of cream of wheat. And when you are making this, you do need to kind of be there, constantly stirring it, because if you don't, then it's gonna get all lumpy and nasty. So just take a couple minutes to just stand there and mix it. And that's pretty much it. I never really used to care for this. I didn't like it until I added sugar and cinnamon, and it tastes pretty darn good. But yeah, and it's very filling and it's healthy, so it's always a bonus. You can also add some fruit in there, like strawberries or grapes if you want, but that's pretty much up to you. So once I'm done mixing this up, I'm going to give it to my husband and my daughter while they eat their breakfast. I am going to be cleaning up. Sorry about the refrigerator, I did pull it behind because that is why. Look at that mess. And the ants started crawling all over the refrigerator. I had no clue why. And then I pulled the refrigerator and I was like, that's why there's ants. So I'm just going to be cleaning the kitchen today. Just the kitchen, just sweep, mop, vacuum the carpets. That's pretty much it. But I hope you guys do enjoy this cleaning vlog, semi-cleaning vlog. So this next clip that you guys are going to see, I was going to edit it out, but I decided not to, and to let you guys listen to me go on my little tangent because I just feel like Cinderella right now when there's 3 other adults in the house. So like I said, I was going to edit it out, but I thought I'd let you guys hear my little tangent I go on. And it's so funny how my husband just hypes me up.
People want to complain about a fucking garbage bag not being in a garbage, but doesn't sit there and see you're putting a fucking garbage bag where the garbage is completely soiled and covered in liquid, and you wonder why it stinks in the fucking house. It's ridiculous.
Why don't you fucking tell these old folks then? Don't send to my mom like,
Fucking
what is
pathetic.
This? What is this? What is this bullshit is this? But you want to slam pots and pans.
Slam pots and pans, but can't even fucking put them away.
That is ridiculous.
You think, oh, I'm reaching my breaking point. No, you don't even know what a breaking point is. You're gonna see a whole nother side of me.
Yeah.
I ain't as quiet as I think.
Tell girlfriend. Oh no, she didn't.
after a long day of cleaning. Got a quick dinner, got some steamed rice, got some pork chops in there cooking with teriyaki, so it would be teriyaki pork chops with steamed rice. Is what is for dinner. I just threw everything together. As you guys see, and I cleaned behind the refrigerator. I just pretty much just cleaned the kitchen. The kitchen had to be deep cleaned. There's ants growing everywhere. It's annoying. Driving me nuts. But yeah. Just some steamed rice and pork chops for dinner. Something quick because I'm exhausted. Sorry I didn't close this vlog out for you guys. I was just super exhausted. I didn't even show you guys how dinner looked. It was bomb, but I was just exhausted. I was ready for bed. Had a long day. As you guys heard, I was extremely irritated. But anyways, if you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you guys would like to see more cleaning vlogs from me, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. Again, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.